हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम 12 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 30 करंट अफेयर्स MCQ गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। वर्ल्ड पेपर बैग डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड एवरी ईयर ऑन, एंड द आंसर इज 12 जुलाई। Second question, which state government declared Sarvajanik Ganesh Utsav as a state festival? And the answer is Maharashtra. Third question, which city is said to become India's first quantum valley? And the answer is Amravati. Fourth question, which state government has launched Gaj Mitra scheme to avoid and reduce human-elephant conflict? And the answer is Assam. Fifth question, which country has completed the construction of the Grand Renaissance Dam, Africa's largest hydroelectric power plant? And the answer is Ethiopia. Sixth question, which country became the first Asian team to win a test match at Edgbaston, Birmingham? And the answer is India. Seventh question, in which Indian state is the government health insurance scheme HimCare implemented? And the answer is Himachal Pradesh. Eighth question, what is the name of world's first ever malaria treatment approved for newborns and very young children? And the answer is Coartem. Ninth question, which company launched the sovereign AI platform Domino 14.5 to enhance government data privacy? And the answer is SCL Software. 10th question, who has been appointed as the new president and CEO of BMW Group India? And the answer is Hardeep Singh Barar. 11th question, who inaugurated the newly rebuilt Karnik Bridge in Mumbai, which has now been renamed Sindoor Bridge? And the answer is Devendra Fadnavis. 12th question, which country is said to become the first African country to implement India's highly successful unified payment interface? And the answer is Namibia. 13th question, which tech company launched BioEMU, a groundbreaking AI system that stimulates protein behavior in hours instead of years? And the answer is Microsoft. 14th question, recently which state or union territory launched Operation Kalanemi against fake saints? And the answer is Uttarakhand. 15th question, who has announced the launch of Operation Kalanemi, a police operation to take strict action against people pretending to be saints? And the answer is Pushkar Singh Dhami. 16th question, SEPE CAT Jaguar aircraft was jointly developed by United Kingdom and which country? And the answer is France. 17th question, the SEPE CAT Jaguar is also known as? And the answer is Samsher. 18th question, what is the rank of India in the recently released FIFA Ranking 2025? And the answer is 133rd. 19th question, Recently, which industrialist has been appointed to the board of directors and executive committee of USI SPF? And the answer is Kumar Mangalam Birla. 20th question. Which country will host the Shooting World Cup in 2027 and the World Junior Championship in 2028? And the answer is India. 21st question. India will host the Shooting World Cup in 2027 and the Junior World Championship in 2028 as announced by the... And the answer is National Rifle Association of India. 22nd question. Which cricket legend was honored with the unveiling of his portrait at the MCC Museum in Lord's, London? And the answer is Sachin Tendulkar. 23rd question. Who has been appointed as the next CEO and MD of Hindustan Unilever Limited? And the answer is Priya Nair. 24th question. World Horse Day 2025 is celebrated on which date? And the answer is 11 July. 25th question. Where will the Global Conference on Manuscript Heritage be held? And the answer is New Delhi. 26th question. Where is the Shravani Mela organized every year? And the answer is Jharkhand. 27th question. Ministry of Tribal Affairs has launched the Talash program in collaboration with which international organization? And the answer is UNICEF India. 28th question. In which state or union territory has the initiative Bharosa been launched? And the answer is Jammu and Kashmir. 29th question. Where has the world's first AI chef, a man-operated restaurant, Woohoo, been launched? And the answer is Dubai. And the last 30th question. Which state or union territory government has launched the Saheli Smart Card scheme with the aim of women empowerment and facilitating free bus travel? And the answer is New Delhi. तो ये थे 12 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 30 करंट अफेयर MCQs और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है हु हैज़ बिकम द ओनली इंडियन टू बी इंक्लूडेड इन द फर्स्ट टाइम 100 क्रिएटर्स लिस्ट रिलीज्ड इन जुलाई 2025। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।